Okay, hi children. Today our topic is what is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, already we discussed about the matter, classification of matter in before video. Okay, now that matter is classified into two types: pure substances and mixture. Okay, again there is another classification to pure substances as elements and compounds, those like. Now, what is the classification of mixtures? Okay, na? I told you mixtures. Okay, mainly mixtures classified into two types. What are those? Homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixture. Here see in name only there is a meaning. Okay, you see homogeneous, heterogeneous. Hetero means difference, homo means same. That means the constituents present in the, that means mixture means what is it? It is the combination of two or more substances. Now we know that. Okay, na? That means some more substances will be present in the mixture. We know that. In that mixture, that means when you are mixing that materials or that substances, okay na, those are that substances are the substances in a mixture distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. You see, how is it? The substances in a mixture distributed uniformly throughout the mixture. Homo, I already told. That means if you are mixing two or more substances, then uniformly distributed. Okay, good example for this one, lemonade. You take the lemonade. Okay, nimmakai water antam kada. You take lemonade. Okay, that is the mixture of water, sugar, salt and lemon. Please, we know that lemon juice. Okay, it is a mixture. That means four components are present in the lemonade. Okay, na? In that water, sugar and salt, water and lemon juice. Now, that means once you observe that when you are seeing that, it appears that all are mixing in the. Okay, na? That means we cannot see separately those. That means this is the lemon and this is the water and this is the sugar, this is the salt. We cannot see like that. Okay, na? That means we cannot see separately. That constituents which are present in the homogeneous mixture we cannot see separately. I will write that point also. You see here. That means the constituents in mixture, okay, we cannot see separately. Okay, you see, cannot see separately. That means it looks like a mixture. That means each other combined each other. Okay, now that means we cannot see the constituents which are present in that mixture. Those mixtures are called the homogeneous mixtures. That means the taste of lemonade, you take that everywhere in the total solution because of the same like only. There is no difference the taste of the lemonade throughout the mixture. That means if you combine carefully, that means somebody, madam, above the water some tasteless is there, no madam. Below the water some very taste is there, no madam. Madam, there is no uniform distribution like that. Somebody asking some children, no ma'am. If you are mixing carefully and mixing, well mixing, we have to do well mixing. Well, somebody is some lazy fellows are there like this will be doing completed mixing man. No, when you are completely mix that four ingredients in the water, then we can test it in anywhere in the solution, then you will get same taste only. Okay na? That is the good example for the homogeneous mixture. Do you understand what is meant by homogeneous mixtures? Homogeneous mixture means the substances in a mixture is distributed uniformly. Okay, anywhere in the solution is same, anywhere in the mixture is same. Okay na? Those like substances are mixtures are called the homogeneous mixtures. Okay, we cannot see the substituents present in the mixture is separately. This is about the homogeneous mixture. Okay, example for the homogeneous mixture is okay, salt water, okay, sugar water, okay, like that lamina. These are the examples for the homogeneous mixtures. Laminate, these are the examples. See, you once you observe, you can observe in our surroundings only. Now you come to heterogeneous mixture, opposite of this one. Okay, suppose if you know about the homogeneous mixtures, you know heterogeneous mixtures also. What is this? He said that means non-uniformly distributed. The substances present in the substances present in heterogeneous mixture mixtures are non-uniformly distributed. Non-uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. You see, opposite only. No need to read like this, Amma. Very simply we can read it. Here uniformly distributed throughout the mixture, non-uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. Good example for this one is stones present in our rice grains. Okay, which is available in our home also. Stones, and that is the mixture of but not more quantity of stones are present. Some quantity of stones will be present, maybe. Okay na? That is according to quality. Leave that. Suppose there are any stones in the mixing with rice grains, then what happen? You see, sometimes stones will be appear. That is the mixture only. Okay na? Our eating mixture also mixture only. Every day we are eating that mixture. It is available in sweet shop. That is also mixture only. That is also heterogeneous only. Because see, non-uniformly distributed, the substances present in the mixture. Yes or no? It looks like that means separate items we can see. Separate constituents which are present in the heterogeneous mixture we can see separately. That means the constituents, second point, you see. The constituents can be seen separately. Okay, can be seen separately. Then we can say what are the materials present in the mixture. Okay, na? That is the heterogeneous mixture. Very simple differences is there. We can see this one. In this lesson we are learning good example for the homogeneous is solutions. Okay, good examples for this one is solutions. Okay, in lesson we have to discuss in the heterogeneous is colloidal and suspensions. Suspensions and colloidal. Okay, colloidal mixtures we are seeing. Examples for the heterogeneous and heterogeneous are suspensions and colloidal mixtures. Okay, we will discuss in another video difference between suspension and colloidal mixtures. Okay, good example for the homogeneous mixtures are solutions. Keep it in your mind. Is there any difficulty? No. Very simply we can understand about it. Okay, thank you.